Hi, this is Bob from Plugable Technologies. What I'd like to do today is give a quick demonstration of how to access some hidden resolution settings when you add an external display to a macOS system. So let's jump right in. What you see now is the desktop of my MacBook Pro laptop, and I have an external display connected to it. You can't see it, of course, because I'm just recording my desktop, but it is there. If I want to make changes to the displays on my system, just come down to System Preferences, and then click on the Displays option. And by default, macOS will open a window on the internal laptop display and all the external displays connected to it. When I'm looking at the settings for the built-in display of the laptop, I have resolution options for default for the display or scaled, which allows me to pick different options to make things look larger or smaller that represent lower and higher resolutions. If I want to make changes to the external display, there's a window on it that, again, you can't see right now. But for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to move that window to my laptop display by clicking the Gather Windows button. It's popped up behind here. Let's bring that forward. So I have a Dell U2412M display connected to the laptop. And I have similar options, but they're a little different compared to the internal display. I have default for display like I had before, and I can change that to scaled. And I see I've got 5 different resolution options. But if I want to see all the available resolution options that are available for the display, I can do that, but there's a trick. If you press and hold down the Option key on your keyboard, which I'm doing now, and then click Scaled, you will see all the available resolutions available for the display. So, quick overview. When you add an external display to a macOS system, it will only show you certain resolutions by default. If you need to access all of the available resolutions, you can press and hold the Option key on your keyboard while clicking the Scaled Radio button, and you'll see all the options available. Hope you'll find that useful, and thank you for watching.